Here's what you need to know about Theresa May in 60 seconds. Born on 1st of October 1956 in Eastbourne, Sussex, May studied geography at Oxford University before graduating in 1977. May worked briefly for the Bank of England before becoming a financial consultant in international affairs. May failed to get elected in 1992 and in the 1994 Barking by-election before being elected as Conservative MP for Maidenhead in the 1997 general election. In 2002, May was appointed the first female chairman of the Conservative Party. During the next 8 years, she held various positions in the shadow cabinet before becoming Home Secretary and Minister for Women and Equality by Prime Minister David Cameron in 2010. She supported remaining in the EU, but when David Cameron resigned, she put forward her leadership ambitions. Following strong support amongst Tory MPs and the eventual withdrawal of her nearest challenger, Andrea Leadsom, she became Prime Minister. And that's what you need to know about Theresa May in 60 seconds.